a lot of pressure to park well there.
Good morning. How are you?
Morning, guys.
Morning. Perfectly representative British weather. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
You better get used to it.
Exactly.
Or you're Brits anyway, but you lived in Italy for so long.
Exactly. I've had a good, I've had a bad reference. It's been sunny for so long. Congratulations for Austria. That was a good point score.
That's it, perfect. Nice big smile.
Am I in that photo?
Brilliant, thank you very much.
Historic Banbury.
It's crazy.
It's like a Banbury forest. Like, yeah.
This era of car was insane.
Yeah.
They look more or less.
Congratulations.
It's Ollie here. So this is my first day in the Haas factory, being announced as an official driver as well, so it's a good day. I'm going to take you on a tour, so have a look around and follow me on day one.
Welcome day present.
She knows me already too.
That's
Yeah,
the
we
most
know the
excited I've seen him all day.
Signing a contract.
Signs from my own contract. You know, everything.
Our team manager lives in there. One of the names that
Thought I'd move in. Pleasure to meet you. How are you?
JP.
How's it going?
Good to see you.
You good?
Yeah, I'm great, thank you.
Fantastic.
Even better now, now that everything's official, so I'm very happy for that.
We're very happy to have you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm
Welcome to the
looking forward
team.
it. Thank you very much.
Just checking out your height for the chassis though.
Yeah, do you mind let
Take
me
the heels off.
Yeah, get the
Or I can just cut from here and
exactly. Trim it down a bit. It'll be fine.
I'll sleep in like a bed that's just my height so I don't grow anymore.
That works. All right.
Thanks a lot. See you around.
See you around. How's things?
Great, really good.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
See, you excited for it?
I'm so excited to get started. It's gonna be great. Meet you. How you doing?
I'm Mark. This is Faisal.
I'm Tom.
How are you?
Nice to meet you. This is my boss.
Nice to meet you again. How are you? Alright. How are you doing? Josh, nice to meet you.
Breathe, that's it. You do a better smile than that, that's it.
Really well. You know, if you just like shield leaning against, come against here, just lean in. I'll be looking there. Shoot outside. You'll talk to the challenges if you like to point out the play and stuff like that. I'll be stood there.
Right.
So, look, you've got no way around. That's it. If you just like informal chat, do some pointing, just having a chat.
Back to acting.
Ollie, we're fortunate enough to have Tapping as one of our sponsors.
Oh, wow.
I wanted to gift you a special present to mark
Thank you very
occasion.
much. That's super kind.
It's quite heavy.
It is heavy.
Nice big smiles.
Do you need a hammer to get into the box though?
Yeah, I was gonna say
Yeah.
it's like a nailed shut.
It is. I heard
It's more safe like that.
one of the
How
answers.
have you done it?
Well, honestly, just teamwork and the focus. You know, just.
Do you like the Collins as well?
Yeah, I like all of them. I like the fizzy ones as well. They're nice.
Well, it's got a little bit flex, but it's gone well, so thank you.
Thanks, Jess. You enjoying yourself?
Thank you.
Did you like to keep the Peppa Pigs?
Or they've already gone.
They're in here.
Yeah. That's,
Didn't last long.
Now she knows your Achilles heel. That's dangerous.
yeah.
It doesn't take long to find it out.
Leave little trails right behind you.
Yeah, man.
To the TV pen. How are you?
This is dry now.
Thank you. Thanks, Craig. Cheers. Ciao.